is how Mughlai Paratha production starts, beginning with these raw ingredients right here inside our hygienic food factory.
Very good. This lot is approved. Handle with care.
As you can see, this industrial sieving machine processes the flour with incredible efficiency, ensuring a consistently fine texture every time.
As the oil incorporates, we slowly drizzle in the water. We are looking for a soft, cohesive ball, not too dry and certainly not too wet.
Resting the dough is crucial for Mughlai Paratha. It allows the gluten to relax, giving us this incredible elasticity you see here, which prevents tearing when we stretch it.
Rahim operates the automated dough ball dividing machine.
We brush the oil on to lock in the moisture. This is what gives the dough its amazing flexibility and elasticity.
This is exactly what we want. Perfectly thin and consistent sheets, ready for the next step.
To control the thickness, we roll the dough until you can almost see through it. This ensures the layers cook perfectly and stay crispy.
The consistency is good now. Go ahead and start the stuffing process.
The key here is precise temperature control. We use the infrared gun to read the surface temperature, then adjust the flame.
Mughlai Paratha production starts from raw ingredients inside a hygienic food factory.
Temperature control is crucial here. We use the induction stove to hold the water at a precise simmer, ensuring the asparagus cooks evenly without losing its vibrant color.
Rapid cooling is essential for food safety. By utilizing this blast chiller, we bring the temperature down quickly, minimizing the danger zone where bacteria can grow. Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. These protocols are in place to ensure the absolute highest standard of cleanliness throughout the facility. Pay close attention to the valves here. Use the sterile wipes in a circular motion to avoid contamination.
Understood.
Check the sensitivity on channel 3.
Looks good, Rahim.
Noted. Keep the line moving efficiently.
Today, we're reviewing the critical control points for food safety. Using the digital thermometer, we ensure everything is within the accepted compliance range.
As you can see, the air is completely removed, ensuring a perfect, airtight seal every time.
Facility. The expiry date is key, but the batch coding system, utilizing this YVS MMDD sequence, these freezers maintain a consistent negative 80 degrees Celsius. This precise control is crucial for the long-term viability of the samples stored within.
Make sure these are stacked securely against the back wall. I need this manifest signed when you're done.
By optimizing these routes, we can ensure a 20% faster delivery time to all regional supermarkets.
The most common question is about the folding. You have to be quick and precise, like this, to seal in the flavor before it hits the hot tawa. Like this. The handmade version has that beautiful, flaky texture and rich filling we look for. But the factory-made one, it's just not the same. And here is the final sample. Notice the beautiful, flaky texture and the rich filling inside. We serve it with this wonderful chutney. Roll the dough thin, add the spiced keema and egg mixture, then carefully fold it. Fry until golden brown and crispy, then slice and serve with chutney.
We use the same traditional recipe, but our modern techniques ensure every paratha has that perfect, authentic, flaky texture you expect.
Namaste everyone. Thank you for visiting the Mughlai Paratha factory. We appreciate your support.
For more behind-the-scenes factory insights, please like this video and follow us.
I am proud to present our brand's Mughlai Paratha, a true taste of tradition, crispy on the outside, rich within.